replacement historically was performed in patients over the age of 65 with relatively low demand lifestyle. The implants available and the technology were limited in that they only lasted 10 to 15 years. The bearings would wear out, the plastic would wear, they would come loose from the bone. I think some of the greatest advancement in joint replacement and knee replacement have been in the materials, in the bearings. And our ability to get these patients through surgery a bit easier, quicker recovery, quicker rehab, allows us now to take a patient, let's say they're middle-aged, let's say they're in their 50s or 60s, they have advanced arthritis, they've tried everything conservative, and they're looking for an option. We now have the ability to perform this surgery even as an outpatient in a number of our patients. This allows them back to that active lifestyle. Commonly people would ask me, what can I do after this knee replacement? Can I walk, can I hike? Absolutely, you can have a very active lifestyle. Walking, traveling, hiking, gardening, getting back to the gym. I think there are some limitations on cutting and twisting sports and aggressive activities, but most patients are pleasantly surprised on the lifestyle they can take on after a joint replacement.